Oh,
And
there the Clarks are. Hello.
you have to unmute yourself.
Yes, I'm present, sir.
All right. I think there's
I'm
David.
present.
There he is. Okay. I have 20,185.20 owing, including court costs.
That's correct. And we've reached a consent judgment with
Okay.
a pay or vacate date by August 15th.
Okay. So they need to pay that full amount by
Yes,
August 15th?
or vacate, yes.
Sir,
And
may I ask a question here?
Yes, you may.
Okay, thank you. We were working with their attorney. We had something simple to agree. At this point, she texted us a lot of details this morning that she wanted us to sign. And then also she said she would sign it for us. And at this point, we would like to seek advice from our own attorney and have time to, find an attorney and speak with them.
Okay. So you don't want to, you've reached it. You may have reached an agreement, but
We
you
had, I
want to take it. You want to go to your attorney to take a look at whatever it is.
Absolutely. We had asked for August 31st to be able to move, and that was denied. But at this point, with all the details that are new presented to us, we feel that we need the advice of an attorney for us ourselves. As well as we have not heard back from HAWC nor SER at this point for some rental assistance.
Judge, may I briefly respond?
Yeah, go
Um,
ahead.
I, I don't believe that if I don't know if they filed proof that they filed for rental aid. I haven't received such. And with regards to the details that she brought up, I informed them that this was a money judgment case, that if the amount was paid, that we'd set aside the money judgment. And also I informed them of MCR, it was 4.201J, explaining that if they wish to set aside the judgment because they're not represented by an attorney, they would have 3 days to do so. Those are the new details that she's discussing. Otherwise, I've sent a copy of the judgment via text for them to review, and nothing else, nothing has changed from that.
And we did not receive that. I looked for it in my email, and I keep looking for it. I have not received that
Yeah.
yet.
It's in your text messages.
You asked for my email address, and I was looking in my email.
Right. This is maybe what happens when I let everybody appear by Zoom and nobody's here in the courtroom that I can. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. Try to be nice, but I'm going to adjourn this to August 14th, 2026. There may be additional rent certainly that kicks in at that point, and I'm well aware of that. That's at what time? At 3 p.m. That's my next available time to do it. And I'm going to order that both the parties, but all parties need to appear in person on that day. If you get an attorney, folks, you also need to have that attorney here on that day.
Yes, sir.
Offer up attorney.
All right, where are we on this case?
So I went to go to DHS yesterday. She said that I need a summon from the court saying
You went to DHS. They said you need paperwork from the court, and they won't let you file until you have it.
they said they'll let me keep my application, but they cannot make a decision because they can't help for non-payment. They only help for eviction. And I started
But
that's what she told me.
oh,
That if I get something from the court saying that
you're being evicted, then
they'll
that's fine, which means they're asking for a judgment. They can't ask for a judgment. They're supposed to help you prior to asking for a judgment. Do you have the name of the person that you spoke to?
remember her name. She was a supervisor though.
Probably not.
That's what they
No, yeah, that's what they call them. Sometimes anybody can get a title. Um,
But she said until I get that, I can't do anything. But
yes, you can.
tomorrow,
Okay, no, I hear what you're telling me. Okay, and I'm not angry with you. It's how much is owing?
You're with cost, Your Honor, $1,712.87.
All right. How much is your monthly rent?
when I signed my lease, it was 629.
629. Does that sound about right, folks?
Ish, Your Honor, I think it's a little like 6:30 something, but close.
Okay, quite close. All right. So let me ask you this. Do you have any funds to pay anything to the landlord at this
So tomorrow I was gonna take in a $400 cashier's check.
400?
Yeah, and then I start a new job on Monday. And so I've been door dashing and stuff too. So I'll be able to get them all the money by August 31st with August just went.
Right, but what can you pay? You're gonna pay 400 tomorrow. Then let's say be the first half of August, how much can you give them?
The first half of August, I could give them another, like probably give them 1,000.
1,000?
And not 2 weeks from today, I could probably give them 1,000.
2 weeks from today. Well, you say probably
No, I'm gonna give them 1,000.
1,000 by the 7th.
Yeah.
So there's gonna be a total of 1,400 coming in.
Hmm.
Okay, and we're gonna have to tack 6 on there, so we're at least making some progress. So here's what I'm gonna do, Council. I'm gonna adjourn this out to my next available date of August 4th, 2026 at 3 p.m. You need to make those payments.
Mhm.
Miss, where's Ann? If you're listening to me, can you write down this name so I can call the individual at DHS? So I can put this case number down because I want to talk to the people at DHS about that because that's incorrect information she's given. All right. Okay. See everybody then, get that paid,
Mhm.
and then we'll be able to deal with it.
Thank you.
Thank you. The place versus my PO. So I got it wrong.
Yeah, me too.
So what is that?
I'm Dominican, so it's like Haitian.
Okay.
Yeah.
But right, but I mean I wanted to do French and I wanted to do Spanish and I'm gonna mess it up like I did the last time. All right. All right, where are we on her case?
So basically the $10,000 thing, my bank is like investigating me for like scamming and fraud. So they haven't like cleared I have the $3,000 that I owe, but since it outdid to the 10,000, they're trying to not get me for scamming, but they need me to verify. So I talked to somebody with them earlier. Her name's Ashley. She said basically I have 10 days. And I was like, okay.
Ashley said what?
Whatever office that she is a part of, because I called
That she being who
or the
pointing at
person
Holly?
who owns the person, not Holly, the person who's getting represented by who's representing Penn Place.
Yeah.
Yeah, I called the office place, the attorney office,
Uh-huh.
and I told her exactly what I'm saying to you, and she was like,
You'll have 10 days to get it paid.
yes.
Oh, I didn't know they had a judge in their office.
No, not the.
Okay, no, I'm just saying that.
No, I was trying to be proactive before the court.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Probably apprising you of what could happen.
Okay.
All right. So the 10 isn't gonna, you don't know when that's gonna clear.
So I didn't have the 10,000 clearly. I had exactly what I owed them, but because I pressed submit so many times, it came out to $10,000. So yes.
Oh.
So because I did that, they said they were going to return my original 3,500 that I owed. But because I did the 10,000, they're saying I'm scamming.
Who says that?
My bank, Huntington.
Okay.
So I have like
Who's returning the money?
so Huntington is going to return. It was only 3,600 in there. It was only 3,600, but it overdraft. It was ACH. It overdrafted it to 10,000. So they're gonna return me my 3,000.
What?
Yeah, my Yapi show.
And you said the origin of that is what?
Dominican? Haitian?
Dominican. Okay. Is that how they do this down there?
No.
Okay.
I'm just saying I think I'm scamming them because I did an ACH of $10,000. So I'm just waiting for my original 3,600 to be put in my account. But if that doesn't happen sooner than later, I am able to make other constitutions, make other plans.
Okay, young lady. When can you get this paid
I hope
without having to hit any buttons?
without I was gonna hopefully I was hoping that by next week put the funds back in my account.
Me. When when's paid?
I could get it paid on the 31st. I could get it paid on the 31st.
Are you sure?
Yes, that would if they don't put it in my account, I could get it from somewhere else.
I don't know what that is. I don't want to know. Okay, so by the 31st,
Yes.
pay.
Yes.
All right. What I'm gonna do. Fine. How much is your monthly rent?
860.
So how are you gonna get that paid?
Oh, for next month. Oh, I have a job. Oh, I have like money. I have a job. I'm good for my new balance. I just need to pay this previous balance. Yes. I'm good for this.
So when are you gonna have August?
So I'll have August. I'll have that on the 3rd. It's only 860. I get paid. I'm just saying this 3,000 that they took put me in a hole that I owe 3,000 to them.
So
I'm gonna have
I
August.
don't know what to do. I really don't.
I will have August is ready.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you'll be able to keep that up. But by the
Yes.
31st, you can get all of this clear.
Yes.
For the keeper.
I can. I was trying to get the funds back to me without having to reach into my family and stuff because I don't want to hear their mouths, but if I have to do that.
Wow. Wow. I don't want to hear the mouth. Me. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. And this might be an unwise call on my part, but I'm for this young lady.
Thank you.
Just because of the way she said it, couldn't be scamming a bank because that's not the way you do it.
No.
But that's okay. I want to tell you how to do it.
Yeah.
I'm going to adjourn this out to August 14th, 2026 at 3 p.m. I'm going to put down in here that you'll pay that $3,600 by July 31st. So I will be angry if it's not paid.
Understood.
You got to talk to your family.
Understood.
Okay. And since I'm going out to that date, your August rent will click in. Right? So you got to have that paid. But if you're going to pay that by the 3rd, get this 36. It's 36.94, council. Is that right?
Well, Your Honor, it was, and then she had NSF fees because she
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So what's your current balance because of NSF? Because she clicked the button.
$35 for each one, and there were 4 payments and 4 reversals, and I understand she's waiting for them.
Wow.
Clicking like I was like,
Oh,
I was.
so what do you have? How much is owed?
I have 3804.17 because it looks like another late fee came in, another $30. Hope my math.
Okay, so 3804.17.
Is everything with the cost, right?
That's with the cost.
It's with the cost.
3804.17. So can you get that paid by the 31st?
I will be going to my parents with my head down. Yes, I will. I can get that paid. I can.
I'd love to hear that come. No.
No, you don't.
All right. Pay the 3804 by July 31st. And then get your August rent paid on time. I'm going to adjourn it out to the 14th. If everything is paid and your account is 0, I do not need to see you on the 14th.
Okay.
Let me repeat that. If everything's paid, do not come back in here.
Okay.
All right? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, young lady. Have a good weekend. Is that it for you, counsel?
It is, Your Honor. Have a great weekend.
You too. And hello, Holly. How are you?
I'm well. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a wonderful weekend.
Every courtroom tells a story, but understanding the law behind it is what truly matters. What do you think about this case? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more courtroom breakdowns and legal analysis.